So we have a Corsair Harpoon RGB Pro mouse that we're going to be unboxing. Now this one retails for about $30 on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description. Main reason I bought this is because it looks pretty clean. It has RGB obviously, and it's from a known brand, so we shall see if it's good. I know this mouse is about 4 years old, but still wanted to check it out nonetheless. So. It says Control Freak on the right side of the box, pretty cool. Non-braided cable. It has a little texture right here, I don't know what that's for. Corsair branded. Here's the mouse, as well as the user manual and warranty guide. Let me get the mouse real quick. Wow. Okay, so it has some textured sides. Now I know there is better mice out there, like the Glorious Model O. That is a really good mouse, but oh, okay, this one I can see already is a fingerprint magnet, but they do disappear after a while. And then this one is on the left side for the cable. So overall, this looks like a pretty good mouse. Obviously, you have rubber feet on the bottom. My hand, it does feel really good. It's pretty comfortable. I do have like a decently big hand, but it definitely is really good. I like the clicking. Maybe like glue or something. Looks like a really good mouse. Scroll wheel is actually really good. I don't know how it would be for gaming, but right here you have the DPI button. Right here, these are really tactical. So if you don't like tactical feeling or sound, I'd rather, don't get this. But if you like tactical, then definitely get it. I personally, I'm not really a big fan of tactical. It does sound cool, but I think it'll be really loud on the mic. But I do have a cardioid mic, so it won't really pick it up all too much, which is good, but it is pretty loud. Scroll wheel clicking is not as loud as this. This is just extremely clicky. I hate this. So the clickiness is probably the one downside, but it does do its job. It is pretty comfortable. Let's go and check out the RGB. All right, so we have it hooked up. Seems very responsive. And then the DPI button, obviously, you can change it. That's way faster. That's probably the highest setting. That's even faster. That's even faster. That's crazy fast. And slow. So red is the slowest. White is like second. And then cyan, I believe, is just insanely fast. And I believe this is pretty accurate though. Like red is mainly for if you want to be super accurate, probably for like bows or something, or if you're sniping, definitely use the red one. Mainly people actually snipe with probably a blue setting, mainly because you want to do like 360s and for trick shotters out there, but for a more accurate, it definitely is red. It's more of a slow feel. For browsing, I'd suggest probably a green or a white, because it's decently fast. You're not going to go crazy when you're browsing the web, but it's nice that it's there and you can't really accidentally click it unless you put your middle finger like this and you accidentally push forward. It might be different for several people, but for me it's good. And then the scroll button, or the additional button here, seems good. It's very responsive. Other than that, this is a pretty good mouse overall. I like it for sure. And the RGB itself is a nice subtle look. It's very clean. On camera it looks really bright, but in person it's a nice LED. It is diffused and just looks very clean and good overall. You can obviously see that it shines on the table, so you can get a representation of how nice it is. Other than that, you can see the grip on the sides. I actually really like it. It helps with the comfort. It has it on the right and left side, so you can feel it for sure. And yeah, I just like it overall. Definitely would recommend it. They also have a Razer mouse, which is $30 as well. I was going to get that, and I probably will in a future video and compare it. But the price keeps fluctuating, so I don't know if I want to get that mouse and say it's a $30 mouse when it could be a $50 mouse, because it is a $50 mouse, but it just decreases and increases in value, which is kind of weird. They have Corsair branding, just overall really nice mouse. Anyways, yeah, so see you guys in the next one.